Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to fix the error if TikTok profile view is not displayed. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under this video, write your comments after watching, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. And you'll need to swipe down from the right side of the screen on your Android device, and then click on the gear. That will take you to the settings. In Settings, you will need to find an option called App, or as in my case, App Manager. Next, open up your entire list of apps on your device. And now at the top of the search box, you can just type in the word TikTok. Open up that app, and then you need to find the force stop button at the bottom. Tap on it and confirm your action. Next, folks, you'll need to go to the permission option and make sure that all the permission options are connected to the TikTok app. If they are not, then please connect the app and give it access to your TikTok. Now go back to the back. Tap Memory or Memory and Cache. At the bottom, select Clear Cache, after which you will also need to clear memory. Confirm your action. After that, friends, maybe this way you will fix the error of TikTok profile view is not displayed. If unfortunately, this is not how you were able to fix this error, then you will need to look at updating your TikTok. To do this, please go to the Play Store. Go to the search part, then type in the word TikTok. Search for this app. And if you have any updates here, it says Update Available. Then click on the word Update and wait for the process to finish. Often updates help to solve a lot of problems and remove those files that are corrupted and that prevent the TikTok app from working. If, unfortunately, even that didn't help, then friends, I recommend you to also try to simply reboot your phone. There are times when the problem that you can't view your TikTok profile is some problem in your device itself, and rebooting can help to fix such problems. These are the ways you can fix the error, friends, when TikTok profile view is not displayed. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to write comments, put definitely your likes under the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.